test.
Bitch, this is fame, not clout. I don't even know what that's about. Watch your mouth. Gee, God forbid. Virgil got the paddock on my wrist, doing front flips, giving you my number, but don't hit me on no dumb shit. Working on a weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist, going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hit your block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush.
It's cool, man. Got red bottoms on. Life is good. You know what I mean? Like, $100,000 for the cheapest ring on the nigga's finger, little bitch. Ooh, I done flew one out to Spain to be in my domain, automata, bitch. Ooh, dropped $3 on the rain, cause it been the truck, little bitch. Ooh, I was in the trap, serving cocaine, they ain't been the same since. Ooh, granted, she was standing right down while I catch a play on the brick. Ooh, I made them little niggas go haywire, Taliban in this bitch. Ooh, I done been down bad in them trenches, had to ride with that stick. Ooh, who gave you pills, who gave that dust, Pluto Central in the lick. Ooh. Too many convicts that enrolled me to play in this shit. Ooh, round about nonsense, get old summer spreading this bitch. Ooh, they had the counter like lighting it up, nigga, anybody can get it. Ooh, I'm on a PJ lighting it up, backwood full of sticky. Ooh, I'm trying to tote that Draco in London and it's extended. Ooh, they gotta stretch a nigga out, we gon' die for this shit. Ooh, yeah, I ride for my niggas, I lie to my bitch. Ooh, we some poor, high class niggas made it, we rich. Yeah, I was at the band though, got a penthouse for a closet. Ooh, it's like a shando, live on my neck, my wrist. Ooh, I got pink toes that talk different languages. Ooh, got promethazine in my blood and Percocet. I ain't gonna need front. This shit sitting in the middle of the hood. I'm gonna say fiends, get my racks.
Why the fuck is my camera so?
What? Yeah, for real? I'm about to go big. You can't see it. For real? Bars, fool.
How do I sound, chat? How do I sound? Sound sick. No, I'm just waking up. And also I got a new mic. Well, it's not a new mic, it's my old mic. Whew. I'm feeling not like $1,000,000. What it do? What it do? What it do, Sagar? Sounds like I'm sitting in the bathroom. Wow, maybe this is not my mic that I'm using. Do you guys hear me getting closer to the mic right now, or you guys don't hear me getting closer to the mic? Is this the mic, or am I using my computer mic? I'm just tripping. Dropped $3 on the rain, cause it been the truck, little bitch. Ooh, I was in the trap, serving cocaine, they ain't been the same since. Ooh, $100,000 for the cheapest ring on the nigga finger, little bitch. $100,000 for the cheapest ring on the nigga finger, little bitch. I sound. Not like $1,000,000.
That was good. That was good. Good. I just need one more. No, I need one more. No, one more. No, one more. Trust me, please. One more. I swear, just one more.
X. You always say exactly.
I don't know.
It is what it is.
Change the lens. Yeah, change it up. We need a 35 mil.
35 mil, please. What do you want to do? Going again?
Yeah, one more time.
You're the boss. You're the boss. All right, guys.
What about now?
We're going again.
Wait, actually?
100,000 for the cheapest ring on the nigga finger, little bitch. I done flew one out to Spain.
Yeah, no, I'm pretty sure this is the goddamn mic.
Dropped $3 on the ring, cause been the
Pretty sure this is the damn mic.
I was in the
It's still the same. Alright, it is what it is. It is what it is. Hello. Honestly, I have no idea what I'm doing. Alright, what about now, chat? Give me some feedback. Is my mic tripping balls or what? I'm getting ready to take some buys soon. I think that there's a chance that price comes down a little bit more before it starts buying out completely. I like the fact that we've accumulated ourselves at this level of resistance right here. At this level of resistance, we've shown wick rejections towards support, showing us that we want to, break this resistance right here that we have present. Nonetheless, we had a little bit of a retracement. Started trading beneath this 8 SMA, which probably caused a lot of sellers to be able to want to hop into sells. We traded beneath the 8 SMA, this is the daily candlestick chart, and then aggressively recovered it. After this aggressive recovery that we've had of this 8 SMA, it's where I'm... Oh. I lowered it. How do I sound? Do I sound terribly bad, or is it decent? How does it sound, boys? Does it sound terribly decent? I mean, not terribly decent. That's not even fucking... We got a whole bunch of people watching early. We got nobody responding. Goddamn, know how we sound. A beep in the back. I don't know, I'm super confused. What would even be the beeping noise? Oh my god, there's no way gold is popping off like that. Jesus Christ. So what, it sounds better now? So what, it sounds better now? Dude, I'm not even sure if that's my mic. Like, if it should be, but Jesus Christ, it sounds terrible. My bad, chat. Apologies, apologies, apologies. No, no, hello. Oh wow, I'm not even using the mic. I'm using my computer mic. I knew it. I knew it. You guys got me in a bad mood right now, boys. That's the truth. I mean, I got a mic in my face. It's not even fucking working. Got myself in a bad mood. All right. Give me like 2 minutes to fix this somehow. Be right back, boys. I give up on the audio, boys. There's no good audio for today. Audio sucks balls for today. I honestly don't know what I could do about it. Yeah, it is what it is. I'll keep the music real though, so you guys don't hear that. I don't really even know where the sound's coming from. Because if I unplug this microphone, oh wow. Oh wow. No way! It says my computer needs to reset to be able to set up the device. I finally plugged in my mic. But I'm not gonna reset anything. Obviously not. Now it's being used, supposedly. What is that? I don't even know which one it is. Hello, hello, hello. Do I sound good now? Pretty sure it sounds better. Alright, now we're moving forward. Now I can start streaming. I'm pretty sure it sounds better. There's no absolute way it doesn't sound better. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh, amazing, amazing. I was actually having fucking a bad time. I'm fine now. It's too early for me, boys. Too early. I have to go get a. I have to go to my barber. It's a chick. I've said this before. I don't have a guy barber. It's a girl barber. Why lie? But I have to go to my barber after this streaming session. So I knew that there was no point of me showering early. I also knew that I had to be up a little bit later than usual so I could actually, you know, not fall asleep after stream. Gold got a lot of volume right now. Yes, we see volume. We're gonna go with the same game plan we had when I first told you guys about. I don't know if you guys saw the free chat before I went to sleep. We were all the way up here and I said, "Hey guys, gold is gonna, GJ's gonna sell out a little bit. Let's wait for it to sell out. You know, wait for it to trigger in some sellers." I told you guys, don't take the sells, even though we know it's gonna go down. Let it sell out, and then from there we're gonna decide on, you know, when we're actually gonna start, you know, catching some buys. We're at a good level to start catching buys. You know, it's one of those trades where it's like, all right, we can determine that we're bullish and take our risk, right? Or we can wait till we get some more rejections and actually just get some confirmations and follow those confirmations went past like the break of that resistance. So it's not a barber now. I guess it's a hair cutter, you know, put it that way. But she also was like my barber. She was like, hook me up. So is it a feel more bar? I guess. I have no idea what you want to consider it. Ugh. My freaking mic wasn't even plugged in. I thought it was plugged in. It's not even plugged in. So, you know, it's a little bit too early for your boy. Whew. All right. Badass, what's good? Why people saying that? I saw somebody in the chat saying something about scammer, and then somebody said that they want something and then give it to them. Probably their fault. Let me get out here and give you a cut. Bro, spamming from 10 ideas. Bro, I've been getting spammed by some dude that I'm pretty sure it's the same dude. It's the same dude for sure who sent me. This is how it is being a fucking nice on you're nice on YouTube, a little too nice, and I give away a little bit too much money. Where then I imagine getting messaged by like 4 different fucking Instagrams by the same guy. And he starts like sending you like photos of like people in the hospital. And he's saying like, "Hey, I really need money. I really need a chance right now. You know, people's lives are at risk. You can only give me this amount of money." Blah 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 blah. And then they'll message me from a different account the second I read the message. And then they'll send me another photo of somebody else in the hospital. And be like, "Look," and could like, you know, so I could be up here getting on camera and being like, "Oh, you know, don't message me, you're fucking," like, I don't know, you know, there's so many different approaches, but like imagine just being messaged by random people 24/7 being asked for free money just because you give away to your live stream, and then they start like fucking spamming you through different fucking. That dude who would join all the time, Roshan Paul Badas, that's him, because he messaged me through Roshan Paul, then he messaged me through a different fucking Instagram, and he starts sending you photos, and he's then paragraphs saying that people's lives are at risk if I don't send money, and that I just could help with just giving a little bit. And I have the messages right here. I don't think I should expose anything because that's fucked, but expose his name already. I'm not gonna expose anything else, but could be true, could not be true, but yeah, basically doing shit like that. I mean, I don't know if it's the guy that was in the chat, but if he says that, or no, it was the same message I got. It was a guy who messaged me and he was like, "Yo, bro, I want to give away a long time ago. I never claimed it though. Is there any chance you just send me $50, da 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 da?" And it like sends fucking. Are you in? Man, I'm thinking about throwing a 30 pip stop loss. A nice 30 pip stop loss. Throw it at 320, 350. 20 pip stop loss. I mean, 30 pip stop loss. What would that put us at? I don't like a 30 pip stop loss. I don't hate it, but I don't love it. I don't love it off this time frame. Let me see the hourly. The hourly time frame looks fine. So the thing is that I have a feeling that I don't want to enter just yet due to the fact that I feel like there's a chance that this candlestick chart, this starts tapping this at least, and at least maybe trading beneath it. And then like this is like where we're gonna reject. Arsenal Juan made 600. Jesus Christ, bagged off Arsenal. That's fire. I'm gonna put the music volume up or down. That's the dude. No block. Pretty sure that's one of the dudes. My mic sounds like crap. Badass. No, 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 no enter, no enter, do not enter, do not enter. Why does the mic sound so... Why does my mic sound... I have no idea, but nothing I can do about it right now. It's good enough, chill. Alright, I'm not even gonna mess with it. I think I have on both mics. I don't think it's the pop-off thing. I promise you I doubt that it's the pop-off thing. I don't think it's the pop-off thing. No, the mic's fine. I mean, it sounds how it sounds due to the fact that I'm in a fucking room that has nothing in it. Nothing I can do about that. Alright, so now looking at this 30-minute candlestick chart, we have wick rejections towards the downside, which are really giving me vibes that we could keep on coming to the, keep on retracing. I said when stream started and before stream started, yes, I believe that price action needs to retrace a little bit. Nonetheless, I've explained to you guys, whenever we have a very, very bullish pair like it is right now, it being GBP, JPY, even if I know that we're going to retrace and we're all the way up here, I'm not going to take the sell. I'm going to wait for the retracement to happen. I'm going to try to identify when momentum is dying out so I could actually try taking the actual trade of the session, which is going to be, the break of this resistance here, and I'm gonna anticipate it. I'm not gonna wait for it to get to resistance and then start breaking out for me to hop in. That's ridiculous. I'm gonna start anticipating the shift in momentum. We have like a little bit of an upside down head and shoulders being able to be formed here. Hopefully it keeps on retracing, forms this little formation on the shoulder here. It's also a fib long, so you can throw some Fibonacci's from the bottom to the top. Probably like at the fucking from sports betting. Yeah, so up to the moment, I have a feeling that we need to keep on retracing. I could be impatient and just hop into a trade, 30 pip stop loss. Nonetheless, I think that we are going to go through retracements. And you guys know whenever I say I think we're going to go through retracements, most likely we enter the trade and we start going through drawdown. Now, am I afraid of drawdown? Not really. Nonetheless, it's a lot, trades seem a lot cleaner and a lot easier to hold once you kind of move straight into profit. You avoid the drawdown. Drop a like and subscribe, boys. If you guys want to do a giveaway today, the giveaway is at 100 likes. We are doing 100 likes and we can start doing a giveaway. So if you guys have not dropped a like yet, make sure you guys drop a like. Take advantage that don't take advantage, because then you guys start messaging me for asking for more giveaways. Just kidding. Don't take advantage.
Just know that it get better with time. They say time heals. She can't see her.
Tiny peso. I think I deserve to be tiny today.
Fuck that nigga, you can tell him that you must.
I deserve to be tiny today.
And she don't wanna go.
All right, me looking at the 15-minute candlestick chart when we're looking at GBP JPY right now. I mean, like I said, look at the 15-minute rejection candlesticks. We have 15 minutes giving us quick rejections to the downside, showing us that there's bearish momentum still present, as well as SMAs in the 50-minute time frame do not look good. We're trading beneath the 8 SMA. We have the, they're in bearish favor. We have the 50 SMA above the 8, and we're trading underneath the 8. What does that mean, boys? This little SMA right here, little moving average, that's what they call it. We're beneath it, which means that we are bearish.
But pretty taught me ugly lessons. Pretty had me giving more than I was getting. So pretty don't come with something, well then I did it. Shame to tell my friends how much I do for you, cause they know that you would never do the same
Took
to me.
a sell yesterday. Took a sell yesterday. I called out some nice buys yesterday for the VIP boys. So funny how every time I even when I call out a banger, so I called out GB. What time did I call it out? At 11 p.m., which is this is about 3 hours before London session. 3 hours before London session, we called the entry at 190.200. I'm not even gonna chart it up. And after that, the GBP bot called out buys as well. Not really sure where. What has the bot done today, boys? How's the bot done so far? This looks like a whole bunch of break evens or some shit. And a loss. This is the buy that they caught, I think. I have no idea. Anybody been watching the bot?
Anyone has any objections? Speak up now or forever hold your peace.
Oh, the bot exited at break even, but it hit TP.
She don't wanna go to sleep, she angry. Lately she been noticing he ain't me. I wish that we can change places. Don't want no new faces. She got my heartbeat.
The record of the bot is 5-1. Is it badass? I know it was 3-4 on the first day. It took 4 trades. It was 3 wins, 1 loss. Wow, now the bot's 5-1. So funny because the owner of the bot comes up to me today, like earlier, and he was like, Did you see the wins the bot caught?" I was like, "No, bro." I was like, "I didn't see the wins the bot caught. I caught wins early as fuck, and that shit was late as fuck copying my trade, so I don't know what the fuck I saw. But I know that I made my fucking take profit 1, take profit 2, stop playing with the kid." Cactus is that there's not been much to like on this stream. The audio's a bit fucking shifty. I'm a bit shaky. I'm a bit sleepy. I'm a bit crusty. My hair's all over the place. Need to go get a haircut after this stream. Need to go get my beard shaved. Who is the owner of the bot? The bot's owner is my previous partner that we used to work with in Bullish Lifestyle.
I put the new 4Gs on the G. I trap into the bloody bottoms is underneath. Cause all my niggas got it out the streets. I keep 100 racks inside my jeans. I remember hitting them all with a
Where's the there we go. I put the new 40s on the G.
Straight up by the objects, I'm a big trip. If I got up on a lean, I'm a sip. I run the racks up with my queen, like London and Nip. But I got rich on all these niggas, I didn't forget back. I had to go through the struggle, I didn't forget that.
Ow. Ow. Going to Miguel and dollar. No, it's not dollar. Miguel. Alright, so what is the game plan so far? We're still being patient, boys. I know that we have a lot of people that are fucking... We probably have a whole bunch of people hopping into buys right now. Which isn't a horrible play. It really just is a horrible play if you don't have a nice large stop loss. And then hopping into sells. I mean, potentially there's another 10 to 20 pip sell-off about to happen. Now, it's hard to catch sells and predict them, especially when momentum is still so bullish. Like I said in the beginning, even though I believe the price was going to go down, I'm not going to try to actually catch that sell. I'm going to wait for price to give me the longs that I'm looking for, you know? Waiting for price to set itself up where I want it to be. And that's what we're doing right now. We're really just waiting. It's a very, very patient waiting game right now. What to do, Banca? Japan? I don't know. Ugh. Looking at gold, it's like freaking looking at Bitcoin. It's just a freaking FOMO ball. Big FOMO ball of not being in longs. What's hilarious is that I actually caught the most fucking savage longs of a fucking lifetime. I caught like these fucking... I caught these longs. This was like on Friday. And then the whole session, it just kept on going and going and going. And I was so upset. And then this happened at resistance and I was like, oh my god. So I was in some gold longs a couple days ago, and I closed out a little bit too early. What are my SMA settings? It's just a 50 something average. There's nothing to it. 8 simple moving average and 50 moving average. We look at the weekly candlestick chart, boys. We see that we're very bullish, man. We're very bullish with, like, there's possibilities of us being able to retrace. I'm gonna start marking out the bearish weekly flip. So when is the weekly flip bearish? Right here. I'm gonna mark that out. Weekly flips bearish all the way down here. I mean, the daily has that momentum. If we don't start showing some rejections soon, then we could assume that we're going to start making strong bearish pushes. But the chart looks great on the 4 hour, man. This looks like a beautiful 4 hour long. This looks no reason for us to be worried. Looks great. Especially if it starts trading beneath this 50 SMA. That's where I want to snipe. Gold is going to the moon. I have no idea what's up with gold. Boys, if you guys just barely joined the stream, we are doing a giveaway at 100 likes. At 100 likes. All you guys got to do is drop some likes. We'll be able to have a fun giveaway just like last week and the week before. And the lips move, but the sound keeps stopping. What? That's my audio you're talking about? What do, Thomas? What it do? What it do?
Back with the remix. These boys all my sons like Phoenix. My city and state never ever seen this. Jimmy Neutron, I'm a young boy genius. On a futon, I'ma give it that penis. When this shit's done, I'ma fill up arenas. Ooh, like Gilbert Arenas. Shoot my shot, I'm still with the demons. Ooh, I keep it thorough. I got 5 chicks in New York, that means 1 in each borough. I'm in the pocket like Burrow. When I'm back home, no, they treat me like Robert De Niro. Took her to talk about butter or churro.
You guys like, if you guys really enjoyed the stream,
I left it in, now I got a €1. Zeros on zeros on zeros. That's what my bank account balance say.
I don't hear the mic cutting off. Can you guys give me some feedback in the chat? Is the mic actually cutting off?
I got me a shorty from Runaway. Said I'm in town today. She said she coming over and she down to stay. I got a hit. She been playing that shit.
All right, we're showing a little bit of rejections from GJ. I really hope that we don't fly from this level right now, because then I'm gonna feel like I'm missing out. But we are starting to get some signs of, you know, the bearish momentum dying out. And once bearish momentum dies out, that's when we want to start being in the longs. 85 people, boys. At 100 likes, we do a giveaway. At 100 likes, we do a giveaway. And can I get some feedback from somebody that fucking bought us? How's I know you hate the mic, but is it cutting off right now? Cutting off?
Hey, somebody tell them niggas that it's over. You know it's baby, nigga.
What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options. I can pass that bitch like Stockton.
Bro, this isn't the only mic I have. Chill the fuck out and stop criticizing the mic and just answer. Turn your Discord off. What does that even mean? This is a different mic. Why would the Discord affect anything? I have no idea what the hell is happening.
What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options. I can pass that bitch like Stockton. Just joshing. I'm spending this holiday locked in. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10.
What's brackin'? Brand new whip, new mansion. Brand new tips, new dances. Same old dick, new magnum. Same old shit, new maggots. Same old.
What did it do, Ricardo?
Same old strong, new ashes. I go pass that bit like magic. Yeah, I ain't capping, I'm lit, I'm active. Yeah, look 5 in that bit like packs and yak. I'm drowning this milk like Applejack. I sell a bitch, dream, put tax on that. Look, slime that bitch, that slap for slap. Go bum press roll, that's black on black. Yeah, 99 problems. The bitch ain't one yet. Numbers don't lie, it's the aftermath. Yeah, what's poppin'? Brand new phone, just dropped it. Fuck it, I got options. I bust down a couple Apple Watches. Hello. I can put the ball in the end zone, put it back.
Alright, so it's going to be really important to see right now what the next hourly candlestick shows us. This is a continuation candle. We're closing at what I call a continuation candle. I would not be surprised if the next hourly candlestick right now on GJ opens up without a top wick and it starts wick filling to the downside. I wouldn't be surprised. Hopefully it does something like that to...
What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options. I can pass that bitch like Stockton. Just joshing. I'm spending this holiday locked in.
Well, hourly candlestick opens. It didn't open up with a bottom wick. It opened up with purely bullish momentum. Jesus. That looks pretty bearish on the 1 hour candlestick chart. I would not be... Guys, if you guys are in longs right now, I mean, I don't like longs too much so far yet, unless you have the valid stop losses like I actually hold them. But that looks like it's going to go down a little bit. That does look like it's going to go down a little bit.
back when the rap game was praying like this. They act like two legends cannot coexist, but I never beef with a nigga for nothing. If I smoke a rapper, it's gonna be legit. It won't be for clout, it won't be for fame. It won't be cause my shit ain't selling the same. It won't be to sell you my latest little sneakers. It won't be cause some niggas slid in my lane. Everything grows, it's destined to change. I love you little niggas, I'm glad that you came. I hope that you scrape every dollar you can. I hope you know money won't erase the pain. To the OGs, I'm thanking you now. Was watching you when you was paving the ground. I copied your cadence, I mirrored
All right. LOL, I turn my sound off. Boys, looking at the, I want to see what the chat thinks right now. Buys on GJ. So if you have to take a trade right now as we speak. One's in the chat if you would take a buy on GJ. Two's in the chat if you guys would take a sell. What does the chat think? What does the chat think? So I was looking at the daily candlestick chart, man. If this starts leaving a wick, if this daily candlestick chart leaves a body, half of the candlestick being a wick, oh my god, the buys are gonna be so clear. Mayfair on the green says buy. Cactus says buy. Sandra says buy. The Pip Flipper says he's gonna buy a little bit lower. I like that. Tio says buy. Arnold buy. Damn, we got a whole bunch of buyers. I think all the buyers are getting me getting me a little scared. I think that there's a little bit more of a retracement. Just a little bit more of a retracement. Just a little bit more. This looks like it. I mean, looking at this hourly candlestick chart we've had, like I said, boys, you don't really ever want to be on the side of calling bottoms or tops. What does that mean right now? I mean, look at the hourly candlestick chart we've had. One bearish candlestick, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You know, and it just goes on and on and on. We've had all these candlesticks be bearish. I'm not gonna be the guy that's just gonna randomly be like, oh, this is the bottom of the market. You know, let me just fucking this is the bottom. This is it. We're about to fly. Like, having that type of mindset is always going to keep you losing. Like, we clearly are going, you know, there's clearly a statistic that says, hey, in the last fucking 10 hours, each candlestick has gone downwards besides one of them. You know, and if you think that one of them is a determination, then you don't know how the candlesticks actually work. There's retracements and impulses all the time. We're impulsing to the downside. That was the retracement. I think that there's a little bit more of an impulse left to the downside. I wouldn't be surprised if we come and tap this lows again. Not be surprised at all. But I like if it goes lower. It's a good thing. It's a good thing because we're getting a better price that we can hop in.
If you're ready for Juice WRLD, say hell yeah! Say hell yeah!
What happened? All right, it may go lower, now back up. No, it's gonna go lower. It's gonna go a little bit lower, I think. Boys, I just barely spammed all the links to all our socials and all the social and all the services right there in the chat. So if you guys want to check that out, make sure you check it out. If you guys want to do a giveaway, make sure you guys start liking up the stream because we need 100 likes to be able to do a giveaway today. 100. Wanna know what I did not do yesterday? I did not log my trade. Oh, I apologize. Where's Discord? I closed Discord for some reason. Charts are going up. I'm hoping it goes down a little bit more. Oh, the first trade. So the first trade was yesterday. It was the 4th. I'm not going to fill in everything, but just so I don't forget, we know. London session. It was a London session. It was GJ. It was a buy. It was like at 190. About 200. And I hate when that happens, man. and I exited, let's say at 90, 30 pips stop loss with TP1. Boom. Maybe I am gonna fill it out completely. All right, I'm gonna leave that out. So let's look at real quick. February, we finished off. We were 1, 2, 3, 4 loss. 1, 2, 3, 4. So out of our last 9 trades, we only lost 1. Now, if we look at our last 10 trades, we've only lost 1. So we're on a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 win streak. We're on a 5 win streak. Today's the 5th. We're in here in London session. GJ. We're most likely going to take buys. I'm just going to put that. And then from there, I'm going to leave that. I did not update that from yesterday. So looking at it at the 2-hour candlestick chart, I mean, looking at the 1 hour, the 1 hour looks like it might be ready to go. Not 100% ready, not 100% convinced yet. Looking at the 4 hour, it might be 100% ready to go. Not completely convinced yet. Looking at that 2-hour candlestick chart, this just gives me vibes that 100% we need to come tap this. Throws me off big time. I really hope that that's not the play. I don't know. There's people for sure in the chat that I'm passing their challenge. Not everybody's account. For example, Sagar, your account's not actually. I'm not sure if your account's in this or not. I know that Spartan, Epic Spartan, you're in this trade. Thomas Dillon, you're in this trade. We sniped the bottom. But we sniped the bottom due to the fact that me knowing that I'm going to be able to hold the 30 pip stop loss. I'm not going to call out a trade on stream where I know that people are not going to hold. And also, I mean, there's a chance we hop out of break even and catch it at a better low. I've been in this trade already a while. From the bottom. Not too bottom. But yeah, if I'm passing your challenge, it's not that you're in a random trade. I think that it might go down a little bit more. Nonetheless, I made ourselves be prepared. It looks like it's gonna sell off a little bit more, to be honest, boys. And I'm not like, it looks like it's fucking selling off. Like I said, Thomas, we're gonna start moving forward a lot quicker now. It's a lot easier to do. I mean, you're on top of the priority due to the fact that your account's fucking MT5 mixed with other MT5 accounts there. We got messages from some MT5s saying that we can't take trades in the United States. That's already been fixed, but that needs to be executed off a different, not off your trades, basically. Hello, buddy. How are you doing? I've been, man, for the last 2-3 days, just been working on so many technical things, like technical when I'm talking about programming things. I don't know, just a bunch of software bullshit. Also, a whole bunch of like camera, just learning how to use a bunch of different cameras and how to use a bunch of different settings and figuring out what cables I need to buy because I don't have enough plugins and some need to be adapters for other things. It's been a nightmare so far. It's been a nightmare. I thought that this week I would have my new streaming camera up. I thought I'd have my whole, but everything's been delayed. You know, we're gonna wait till next week. And it's also been a big fucking kick in the ass that this whole fucking prop firm thing happening in the United States and how the United States don't want FTMO no more. I mean, MT4 no more. MT4 don't want you. I mean, yeah, vice versa. But it is what it is. There's a chance, like I'm saying, looking at this 30-minute candlestick chart, is there anybody hopping into sells as we speak? There has to be somebody hopping into sells as we speak. Like this, if I was not in a buy all the way at the bottom, I would be like, oh man, this actually looks like a pretty good opportunity for sells. C-Trader is probably for the win. I've never used it. Us Americans don't know about it. Boys, if you guys want to do a giveaway today, a giveaway is at 100 likes. At 100 likes, we will do a giveaway. Yeah, man, I apologize that the audio is not the best right now. I apologize that the camera quality is not the best. I apologize that, you know, I am not at my best. But we are here nonetheless. I think that we're going to catch another banger. We're on a 5-win streak. We've literally won 5 out of our last 6 trades, and we won 10 out of our last 11. So we are looking better than that goddamn bot. Bro, no need for apologies. Is that we have people that hold us to high standards in this chat. We also have the bot Woke EA Signals, which is the bot that's been being talked about. It's been shown all around the industry. For my VIP members, for those who have the London session VIP, I offer them, and I'm gonna put it for the New York VIP. Just for this week, these signals are, you know, they come with the VIP. According to the chat, the bot right now is what? What's the bot's record? I told you guys my record, which is the London VIP signals. Right now, the bot has also been taking trades side by side. It's 4-1. All right, so it's taking 4 wins, 1 loss. At one point, it was 3 for 3, and then it was 3 for 1, and now it's 4 for 1. So, Woke EA Signals is also available for the VIP members. So you guys are going to be able to see that for a couple of days, a couple of weeks, I don't know, and then it's going to close out. It's its own signal service. Yeah. So the bots, I'm in competition with a bot right now. I'm trying to show you guys that I could outperform a fucking bot every fucking single day of the week. And so far, if the bot, I mean, I think that the bot won today, so maybe I need to catch up today. But stay woke, traders. I love that. Don't sleep. You gotta stay up. What song is that? Don't sleep. You gotta stay up. That reminds me that that's a song. Don't sleep. Why is my name giveaway VIP? I have no idea. That's bada. Who are you, Rock? Who are you on Instagram? Who are you on? Who the hell are you? Yeah. Boy got Rock as a name. Because you want a giveaway. Yeah, if you want a giveaway, you're not under VIP, you're under giveaway VIP. You got a VIP fucking subscription through a giveaway. But yeah, there's been really good performance throughout the signal services, so that's actually a plus. Jeez, boys! Oh my god. No, I wouldn't say miss the buys. There's still a lot of opportunity to be able to catch the buys if that is the buys. No, there's no more discount anymore. There's no more discount anymore. It was code BBC, so I don't think that works anymore. Am I calling the New York trades? No, I am not calling the New York trades. The New York trades are being called by a really good buddy of mine, Dr. Euro, who trades. Oh, he used to be a stock trader originally, but now he switched to like Forex and does indices, does commodities and indices. So you'll see a lot of NAS trades there. Obviously, a lot of gold, a lot of US 30. And he also called out a banger yesterday. So if you guys see, this is kind of how the New York session. I'll show you guys a little New York session VIP thing is gonna look like this. So obviously US oil, he sent a US oil trade, and US oil out of nowhere right after he fucking sent the trade, a couple minutes after, freaking popped off and banged. And then after that, TP2 got hit, and then TP3 and TP4 ended up actually getting hit. Shit flew. So yeah, yesterday was a day to celebrate the signal services. Every fucking week, the woke EA hit, I hit, and fucking slaughtered the oil trade as well. Insane. So for those who do like commodities and do like fucking somebody constantly up during New York session, yeah, that's right there. Guys, I'm not sure if this is ready. Me looking at this candlestick chart like this, I can imagine this 4-hour candlestick closing anywhere around where it is right now. 40 minutes just ranging, and I can imagine the next 4-hour candlestick wick filling to the downside. Like me looking at this hourly candlestick chart, I do not think it's ready, man. This looks like a break and retest to be able to continue to wick fill these wicks down here. And I hope I'm not throwing anybody off, but I really hope you're not taking buys as this is going up right now. Do not be that guy. That's what I think about GJ. I think that the chance that this was the actual low, very, very small. Nonetheless, it looks like it is right now, but it could easily just change with one strong bearish candlestick. It changes the whole script. And we look at it outside looking in, and we're like, oh wow, that was pretty obvious. We've had just pure bearish momentum. What's the chance that this is the actual low?
Cop the BMW, new deposit, I picked up another bag, like fuck it.
I got UR Beyond Limits. I'll answer you right after this stream. If this is not the buy, then buy will come during New York session. I could almost agree with that statement. I think that's a very valid analysis. I think that is a very valid analysis. I feel bad that my VIP are not in this trade that I'm actually in right now, but at least the people that I'm passing their challenge for is snipe the bottom. I'm still gonna call out a trade on live stream because we have not. Because we didn't get to live stream yesterday, so yesterday was, yeah. So I have a need to call out a live trade today, so we are gonna call out a live trade. I think that you guys just have misunderstandings. The names, just because it says London VIP and New York VIP, it's not that, like, if we get to New York session, it's not that I'm not fucking, it's not like the VIP dies. What that means, what I have that for is that there's a different trader that trades mainly New York session, just like I'm here and I mainly trade GJ, like London session. Like, we have people all the time telling me, hey, you don't have, you go look at NAS, go look at fucking this, go look at US oil. And I'm like, guys, I don't fucking trade those things. So now for those who do trade those things, do want actually fucking looking at analysis and do want to be, you know, doing that shit, that's available. You know, I have never sent a signal past 7 o'clock, 6 o'clock. I've barely ever, I've never called a New York session trade, and I've never called even like an hour to 2 hours before New York session. So I always shut off and go to sleep. I always shut off and get off. You know, so now there's actual signals of you know, future indices and commodities and shit like that.
I'm in my black Benz, doing cocaine with my black friends. We'll be high as hell before the night ends. Yeah, we'll be high before the night ends.
Rick Alvarez.
Switch up to the white Benz, doing codeine with my white friends.
Wow, GU and EJ look pretty much the same. I mean, these pairs just look very fucking bullish. Why do they look very bullish? Due to the fact that whenever you start hovering at resistance, like this is a resistance level, you see that we keep on coming back to this resistance level. We're here for a reason, right? We're not here because we just keep on rejecting. We also see that this, recent price action has given us a huge impulse. This is the correction. I think we're waiting for another impulse. Not really much to break down on lower time frames due to the fact that it moves all weird. But if you look at the higher time frames as well, look at the 4 hour. It's just higher levels of support, higher levels of resistance. What I'm paying attention to when I'm looking at the 4 hour on this bullish. It's like bullish for like the last 2 days. There's a whole bunch of news coming that's probably gonna pop off, break this resistance when all these news down here hit. Wait, you guys can see that. And it's the same thing with GJ. GJ is accumulating itself at this level of resistance, forming higher levels of support. Shit's getting ready to pop. Pop towards the upside.
Let's go.
Gold is going. That is such a FOMO. Guys, don't look at gold no more today. If you don't want to fucking go through FOMO, look at gold. This looks like it's gonna short. I'm not even exaggerating. GG looks like it's gonna go short right now.
Yeah. Set coming in and the money on fold. Gotta put a stamp on it. Jet hit a plate, scrape it off the plate. Hey, gotta put the camp on it. Pussy ass nigga always talking that tough shit. Nigga put a date on it. Everybody sitting at the table around here. Yeah, there's a lot of place on it. Running through the money and the bitch keep calling. Hold up, she gon' have to wait on it. VVS diamond dripping on.
News in 6 minutes for real. Sagar, any chance you could send me look at your DMs.
I'ma keep it 30 in my fault. I'ma buy a burger for my shout. Nigga did me dirty, ran off on me. Plug did me dirty, took off on me. Lil' Hilda just folded, got soft on me. I'm from the streets, you gotta pay with your life. I got away with the white, you just like your father and he was a rat. So that mean he raising the mice, yeah. I had to trap through the night, yeah. I put that pack on a flight, yeah. I shot on them pussies the same night. Late in the bushes, a rainy night. Won't put no hoes on no pedestals, edibles. I'm trying to fuck them the same night. I put 2 hoes on the same.
I mean, I knew there was gonna be no news.
I shot 4 niggas the same.
Don't even know why I checked.
We are not playing with the same chick. It's murder, no murder for high. And that shit been stuck.
So whenever you want to be, whenever you're looking at the news, you only really want to be paying attention to red folders. Those are yellow folders. Those should not be high impact. Great.
Running through the money and the bitch keep calling. Hold up, she gon' have to wait on it. VVS diamond dripping on my t-shirt. I'ma push your face on it. Rolls Royce truck on the way, cashed out for it. Still had to wait on it. Plug fucked around, sent the wrong down kind. Nigga still had to pay for it. $100,000 over iPhone. I ain't talking show money. Plug keep calling, we gon' take his ass down. Hold up, there'll be some more money. Labels talking contracts, I ain't signing shit. Tell them that I know money. I used to shop with a bitch, she got them low.
You cut me open.
She get a number better than these bookies I'm getting. I swear that I'm flooding the city. A rap nigga better not diss me, cause I run with hitters. Everywhere I go, they with me. Pat coming in on the back street. 12 ride by, nigga still keep working. $50,000 for a show. Knowing goddamn well, nigga still ain't working. I done told these folks that I quit. Knowing goddamn well, nigga still sipping syrup. Got a trap going crazy like the first and the third. Got a lot of cash money, I can still get burned. Get away with
still get murdered. Had an FN on me when I did this verse. If she so good dick, she gon' leave with a purse. I was really in the streets, you can do your research.
Set coming in and the money on fold. Gotta put a stamp on it. Jet hit a plate, scrape it off the plate. Hey, gotta put the camp on it. Pussy ass nigga always talking that tough shit. Nigga put a date on it. Everybody sitting at the table around here. Yeah, there's a lot of place on it.
Running through the money and the bitch keep calling. Hold up, she gon' have to wait on me. VVS diamond dripping on my t-shirt. I'ma put your face on it. Rolls Royce truck on the way, cashed out for it. Still had to wait on it. Plug fucked around, sent a round down kind. Nigga still had to pay for it.
All right, GJ is going. Jesus Christ.
Think it's a game.
I came up from nothing, nigga, you can't tell me shit. Yeah, did it on my own, check out my neck, check out my wrist. Yeah,
I swear I ain't never expected it to be like this. Now a nigga getting rich. I swear every day we lit.
yeah, every day we lit. Yeah, you can't tell me shit. Yeah, remember I was broke. Yeah, now I'm getting rich.
Yeah, when you diamond colder than a bitch, then you know you lit. When you quick to take a nigga bitch, then you know you lit.
Every day we lit. Yeah, 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 every day we lit. Every day we lit. Every day we lit. Yeah, every day we lit.
Can't wait to get that vodka run, put it on my arm. Just counted the 50 with my mom. The ball done. All my car came from. My chain glowing. I ain't going, man. Look where we came from. All your bangles got my name on it. She want me to put my name on it. I got the hottest 16, one of the best you ever seen. But she like it when I sang on it.
I came up from nothing, nigga, you can't tell me shit. Yeah, did it on my own, check out my neck, check out my wrist. Yeah,
I swear I ain't never expected it to be like this. Now a nigga getting rich. I swear every day.
All right, my bad, chat. All right, Peso, looks like this was it, to be honest. Don't talk about signals. Bot here, chat here. What, the bot hopped into something? What did the bot hop into? EA signals. The bot just took a sell. That's so hilarious, dude. The bot literally is designed after me because I just barely hopped into somebody's account and I just took a sell. So literally bot. Like, it's so funny. The creator of the bot one day comes up to me and he was like, yo, bro. He was like, yo, bro, I discovered something. He was like, I discovered like the perfect stop loss for GJ is 30 to 35 pips. That's what he comes up to me and tells me. And I'm like, okay, like, what are you telling me something I don't like? He goes, bro, I figured it out. I figured it out. That's the trick. Like, GJ, you need to use a 30 pip stop loss, 35 pip stop loss. I figured it out. And I was like, I was like, okay. And he's like, bro, you gotta use your SMAs, and you gotta, you know. And I'm like, bro, like, what the fuck is wrong with you? Like, that's like, that's my. Like, I've been using a 30 pip stop loss on GJ, and I've been teaching to the world that 30 pip stop loss on GJ is what you need to do for so long. Not even funny how long I've been teaching that. Oh. It doesn't look too good. It looks like it's going down. Looks like it's going down, boys. Actually, it doesn't look like it's going down 100% yet. So this is where I have to start taking decisions. Do I want to hop into the buy or do I want to hop into the sell? Do I want to be patient? Do I have my confirmations? Is this 30-minute candlestick going to flip from bearish to bullish? All these questions are up on the board right now. What is happening?
I'm talking about putting on riding out Glocks in my mind's house. Front you with that work out in front of niggas work. He say he want that head up, but we don't fight fair, bruh. Catch you slipping from your backside, then knock you out. Ace gon' stump you out, then Buddha gon' stump you out. Mama ever seen what?
Alright, so yeah, that's what I'm thinking, the pip flipper. I'm thinking that this 4-hour candlestick closes in 20 minutes, right? 4-hour candlestick closes in 20 minutes, and I do not think that this candlestick is just gonna leave that wick and it's gonna fly. I think that this needs to get filled somehow. It needs to come back to this area. And so I then look at the smaller time frames, and I'm like, man, this does look like a, you know, like we're respecting the status of May. I'm pretty sure the smart trade to be doing here is be taking sells. Kills me to do. I think that's the smart thing to do. Can't deny what I'm looking at. Alright, we're at 190,800, boys. We're at 190,800. Now we're gonna go with a 30 pip stop loss. 30 pip stop loss. Actually, this is the bot straight. I don't even feel like. We're gonna put up the bot straight right now. How about that? Whoa, EA. Badass, can you send me the signal? Tell me what the signal is in here in the YouTube chat. What's the signal? What's the entry of the woke EA? What's the... Open price 785. That's exactly where we are. Stop loss 35 pips. That's exactly what I just said. Take profit 1 to 2 withdrawal ratio. So this is what the EA has drawn out. The EA right now is 4 wins, 1 loss. And then just really close out this trade here. Interesting, boys. You're still for the buys. Zooming out and looking at the hourly candlestick chart, Arnold, the buys look a little bit scary. Like looking at it on this hourly candlestick chart, the way I'm looking at it right now, definitely buys look sell. Buys look scary. Buys look sells. Buys look scary. Buys look scary. No, I mean, I got it already, brother. Thank you so much. I mean, send it to my DM. Thank you, brother. Thank you so much, badass. Ooh. Oh. No, I don't, man. I don't pay attention at all to the copy trader when it comes down to challenge passing. Everything that it's like, for example, right now for those who I'm passing their challenge, we're in GJ buys. We're up about 20 pips in GJ buys. We took it at 600. We're at 800. So completely different thing. Whenever I'm passing challenges, I'm definitely not trying to take bot trades. That was my main complaint before when I said if you guys are gonna pay for a challenge passing service and connected to a bot, why the fuck are you going to that person for the challenge passing service? If isn't that person supposed to be a good trader, etc., etc. Whenever you pass for a service, you definitely want a manual trader behind it. No bot passes challenges left and right. Not that I've seen. Maybe this one does. Who knows? But I mean, obviously depends how you leverage it as well. For those who want to connect their account directly to the bot, right? That's going to be available very, 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 very soon. Very, very, very soon. Ugh. Jesus. Thrown off right here now. I don't know if I should have the bot the bot signal on my screen, or if I should just. I have no idea. No, it's not available now. And also the VIP is different from the Connect window. Yeah, you can take an entry now, 100%. I personally on this stream have not called out any trade. This is the bot's trade so far. The bot is the Woke EA that is available. That has hit 4 trades and lost 1. It looks like it's about to turn around when I bought that. do.
Your shit, nigga.
She could play it.
Gee, I think we got one. Only love I ever felt was from my mama. On my mama, miss my grandma, miss my uncle, rest in peace. Death from Reese. Cash out, thick bitch from the west side. Cash down, no, this is not a S-Class. Maybach, I've been turning up for my city.
Cherry production.
I've been turning up for my city. Richie rich, fucker, then I leave, bitch, ain't no give me kids. All another free bitch call me dude. Hey, I don't call her none. She finessing, babe, I need a dime. Babe, I need a, yeah, leave a messy dog, you know my dog a hoe. Babe, I train fuck all them hoes. Take her shopping, she be fly. Her marriage, Chanel, a Prada, Gucci coat matching my mama. 21 brand new, no model. Fuck nigga, before I start wild. Coming down, 60 round, ticket, bomb, sipping down Perignon. Bitches, fine, glizzy, 9, play and get shot. Still miss my pies, man, this you getting out. I've been turning up for my city, turn me up. I've been turning up for my city.
Till this made me salute us. Turn my young bitch to a shooter. Damn, I miss
All right. Tell me target. If you want to know the actual target, I mean, what do you mean the target? It's a 30. It's a 35 pip stop loss. So from where entry is right now, 35 pip stop loss, 70 pip take profit. Very, very straightforward trade. It really is just the same trades that we take and rinse and repeat all the time here on stream. Boys, 34 likes left so we could do a giveaway. So we could do a account 5K account giveaway, or we'll do some VIP giveaways. It'll be the bundle giveaways for both people. New York and London. We could have been superstars. Damn, boys.
Cherry production.
sitting there talking about life. Play some beats, but I forgot to tell you one thing. Niggas called me to set you up, want me to come and wet you up. Cause you were out of town, nigga like Biggie, heard about the shit with Diddy, so I came through to vest you up. And I got a vest for 40, a vest for Hush, a vest for every nigga with an owl on his chest. And what? I got LA unified, you better all committing suicide, teachers ain't testing us. See, I know how I feel to be platinum plus. Niggas is jealous of you, so they try to wrap you up, tax you up. But it's OVO blood money, nigga, catch these bullets like you catch the bus. Dog fame is a motherfucker, do a nigga four favors when you came through the fifth. How soon they forget, run up on you at your granny house, give you 9 like fifth. How a nigga supposed to love you niggas? Heart beating fast when I dap and when I hug you niggas. Dre told me not to trust you niggas, your energy off, you finicky, I rush you niggas. Just walk around the crib like, why a nigga can't live, get this money, fuck these bitches though. Think about the beef like
Forex too slow. I mean, that's the way this game is. It's a waiting game, boys. It's not. A lot of people look for quick gratitude. Therefore, they hop into trades, hop out of trades, hop into trades, hop out of trades. They throw large lot sizes because they're taught and tricked by social media. This is a get rich quick scheme, and it's not, boys. It's not. This is actually the opposite. It's like a get broke slow scheme while you learn, because you're gonna lose a lot of money, and then eventually you'll start. Eventually you'll start figuring out your edge to the market. Boys, like I said, if you guys want to be able to do a giveaway today, you guys need to reach it's 100 likes. 100 likes for the giveaway. If you guys are not a part of the channel, make sure you guys join the Discord. Oop, Discord right there. Oh, I keep fucking up. Spammed all the channels below. What is gonna happen, boys? If this flips from bearish to bullish, then Jesus Christ, this shit's getting stopped up. If it flips from bearish to bullish, that 30-minute candlestick, it is not gonna look good.
I'm in the club every time that they play the competition. If they even play the competition, then I seen the response they get. Yeah, nobody's even hearing it. On top of the pyramid, might go to Jamaica, disappear again. My circle got so smart that it's superior. Saying to myself, y'all better not come to my studio with that fake shit. Y'all better not come to my funeral with that fake shit. Y'all better off realizing there's nothing that y'all can do with me. All I ever ask is keep it 8 more than 92 with me 100. LA niggas be the craziest 100. LA. All I ever ask is 100. LA. Yeah. LA niggas be the craziest 100. All I ever ask is 100.
Miss Folk said that was my real nigga. Held a nigga down since he was a little nigga. If he was still alive, he would kill niggas. He was Lil Snoop, I was Meek Mill. Niggas know how it feel when you missing your nigga though. Can't think so you roll up that indigo. Stressing while driving down Figaro. Blowing kush clouds until his ghost is in my ghost. Damn. Make a real nigga wanna give us like the God, like here it go. Screaming frog name at the clouds, they don't hear me though. Guess they too busy with Tupac and Biggie though. You niggas don't feel me though, that was on Shug's watch. I take Shug's watch. You dissing Drizzy, that's cool, but don't fuck my city though. Not even in H-Town. So underground that I gotta be a trill nigga. Strapped up from the waist down. That's word to Pimp CJ Prince is my real nigga. Shit was so simple when Henchman was out. He had a young nigga right there with Meech. So happy when Blue Da Vinci got out. We came up on these California streets. LA niggas be the craziest. These niggas do some shady shit. Niggas will run up on your car, catch you off guard like the Lil Wayne and Baby shit. Got a nigga confused, but why a nigga gotta choose? Don't even matter, dog, cause I'ma always be a real nigga. Always be a real nigga. I never learned how to be nothing but a real nigga.
Y'all better not come to my studio with that fake shit. Y'all better not come to my funeral with that fake shit. Y'all better
I think stop loss. That's how quick you're determined to think it's flipping.
all I ever ask is keep it 8 more than 92 with me 100.
My bad, boys. I haven't had the typical energy I usually have on stream. I did not get to get the rest that I wanted necessary. I don't know. Yeah. Hi, what is gold doing today? I apologize for not checking that. Gold is on a rally, man. If anybody's looking for gold sells, you're going to get clapped. Look at the higher levels of support being formed. Everything's just respecting this 8 SMA as we're rising above. We had clearly a level of correction, and then we have the impulse after that. It's just impulse, correction, impulse, correction, impulse. Pretty clean price action to be able to keep on riding longs. Nonetheless, even taking a buy right now would be considered an aggressive trade.
Just one more, he don't respect you. He just gon' hurt you and neglect you. Well, let them say what they wanna. I made a promise to do you right, and I'm gonna. Girl, I do everything I can to prove I'm a better man than your friends think I am. She got me speeding in the fast lane, pedal to the floor, man. Tryna get back to her love. Best believe she got that good thing. She my little hood thing. Ask around, they know us. They know that's mine. She got me speeding in the fast lane, pedal to the floor, man. Tryna get back to her love. Best believe she got that good thing. She my little hood thing. Ask around, they know us. They know that's mine. Baby, everybody know that's mine.
All right. Good move to clean. We have the daily candlestick chart now. Daily candlestick chart, I mean, it gives good vibes that it could flip bullish, dude. It does give good vibes that this 30-minute candlestick chart could just flip from bearish to bullish. But once we reach this level of resistance, from there we could easily expect, you know, some sort of crazy reaction and break that resistance. Up to the moment, I kind of agree with the bot that the smart thing to be doing is probably, I mean, we're in between these two SMAs also, which two magnet levels where we see a lot of the time we stay and start ranging in between. The smarter thing to do would be wait for this 4-hour wick fill. Oh, 4-hour opened up already 3 minutes ago. I wasn't even paying attention 2 minutes ago. This is the wick fill. This is a very strong bearish signal, actually. That is a pretty strong bearish signal. Now, Could it flip and go ridiculous? I think if there was news, but this actually looks very strong for sells. And I don't want to throw people off and have people start hopping into crazy ass sells because this is just my sleepy, humble opinion.
Sound just like it does. These days I balance all that hate out with the love. These days I pour all of my pain out in a cup. Dreamy, that's just a side effect when you with us. Easy, the dozens right behind me, they on edge. Believe me, we pop out in the city to collect. Vibes in this bitch, they surprised that I live. Try can be killed, try that times, but I'm still hop in the whip, to hop right in the whip. Box in the whip, got me. Hey, back it out west, slang it out west. Go metallic knife, I can shake it out. Just put a drum on a no-kill tick. I just put my cum in a pussy that's wet. I used to jump out the back of the bus, now I jump off of a jet. I used to tell a little baby to dust, then I got over the shit. I used to like her, but now that I love her, the way she was drinking my spit. Yo, bitch cheating, she on my cover, we cut her and shit.
Looking good.
Money bag. This the nigga they talking about. What they call him, Lil Bag? Lil Speaker. I can't hear him. He need to do is take care of them kids. That's worrying me for a hear me. I don't got time for no broke niggas.
Damn, Ben Mark shot this too.
Turn me on, YC.
Huh? What? I thought a bro nigga said something. Talking shit, but they still ain't saying nothing. We gon' trap this bitch out till the feds come. Run it up, huh? What she say? I thought a pussy hoe said something. How I go when I'm talking, you listen. Cut her off cause she spoke on business. Go. Hundreds and fifties.
Luis Diaz likes to sell.
Head first with it. I shot a shot at my nigga, bitch. Really didn't think before I did it. Make it make sense. Luckily, I was on point with the last hoe. Kept my receipts. Warranted good. Make sure I got her for a refund when I gave her back to the streets. Forever I rep, put the set on the chain. I'm thugging you, already know how I
Patiently gonna wait on the buys. I love the maturity cactus. Love the level of maturity. Boys, if you guys want to do the giveaway, make sure you guys start dropping some likes soon. We need to reach 100 likes to be able to do the giveaway. If we don't reach 100 likes, we are not doing the giveaway. There's no little slippage. I want it to come down, wick fill. Yeah, I think coming down, wick filling, dropping, you know, leaving this level of support, and then it would bounce. Very strong setup. Doing something like that, waiting for the buys later on. If you guys are not in the Discord yet, make sure you guys join the Discord. This woke EA is 4 trades. It has taken 5 trades since, I don't know, 2 trading days ago, right? It's taken 4 wins and 1 loss. This is its 6th trade. So 4 wins, 1 loss. This is its 6th trade. If you guys want to be able to look for how to get access to it, you guys would go to join VIP, join access, and then from there you guys see there is the bundle between my VIP and the New York VIP. And then, oh, I don't have the, so confused. Did I not have the woke, the bot here? I think I took out the bot. Like an idiot. There's not even a way to buy the bot. That is hilarious. Very confused about us. I have no idea what the fuck happened today, man. No idea what the fuck happened today.
Damn, this motherfucker too crazy, saucy. Let that shit ride, 88.
Nothing much, you high. I wish I was high. That'd make this experience a lot more appealing and appetizing. Ugh. This experience sucks right now. R. Sure. Eyes red, blabbering, feeling tired, high mode. Are my eyes red? I'm destroyedly tired. Make sure you write the truest in the motherfucking game on my tombstone and bury me. By the river they will carry me. Finally I'll be resting in peace. Finally, I'll get to fly away somewhere someday. For these niggas cut they lane since they love saying my name. Make sure you write the truest in the game on my tombstone and bury me. By the river they will carry me. Finally I'll be resting in peace. I agree. I'm a young nigga, believe that, man. I'm a hustler. Finally, what to do about Sharon? Very tired, man. Very, very, very tired. Very tired, and I have so many little things to do, man. So many little things. Now I got the hiccups. What song? What song is that, Cactus? I know that that's a song. I forgot what song that is. Let's get this money. Money. There you go. That's the song. That's the song. Completely forgot. I was like, I know the lyrics from somewhere. I just don't know from where. Huh? I'm tired. My back also hurts. I tengo como un punto acá me duele. I feel like a bruise on my back. It hurts. Oops. Put some sound on music. More volume. Oh, thank you, babe. For those who I am passing their current challenge, we are still in this bitch. And we are up Well, no, we're almost up 0.5%. We don't really go too heavy on this trade because we're trying to catch a runner, but being, you know, up more than 0.5%, only up 15, 20 pips. Perfect. My back kills me right now. I have like a bruise in the middle. What the fuck happened? Louder music better for GJ. I agree. One.
Whoa, whoa, baby, baby. Sit down here, there, sir. Bend down here, there, sir. You know me have a fat cock for you. I've been waiting. Nobody nothing knows, say me and you a fuck. Nobody nothing knows, say you a give it up. Nobody nothing knows, say you come over me yard. Baby, take off your dress. Nobody nothing knows, say me and you a fuck. Nobody nothing knows, say you a give it up. Nobody nothing knows, say you come over me yard. Baby, take off your dress. Every time you come here, act like you know and do it. And I tell me say you a sneak. But from looking at your eyes, me see the freakiness. Baby girl, make it unleash. And I like say, me not
No, dude, gold is a big FOMO ball. Look at this, boys. Gold is going. Y'all missing out on gold? Jesus, I'm in the same boat. Gold has been going and going and going. Oh my god.
Nobody nothing knows, say you come over me yard. Baby, take off your dress. Girl, take it off for a young. Freaky things that you do with your tongue. Up and down the pole like a stripper. Ass up, face in the pillow. Popping it, pussy popping on the handstand. And I just be your nigga, I can't be a man. Sex so good, made you say you love me. Hold up, ain't you say you had a boyfriend. And I like the way that you body, the way that you kiss you, yeah. And you like the way I get money, the way I boss up, yeah. And when I hit it real fast from the back, why you make that ass clap and you look back at it? I should take a photo, but nobody I feel nobody nothing knows, say me and you a fuck. Nobody nothing knows, say you a give it up. Nobody nothing knows, say you come over me yard. Baby, take off your dress. Nobody nothing knows, say me and you a fuck. Nobody nothing knows, say you a give it up. Nobody nothing knows, say you come over me yard. Baby, take off your dress. Baby.
Hey, that's a good point, Cactus. That is a great, valid point. Is this chart about to go down right now? I see this about to fucking... I kind of see a little bearish impulse about to come, no?
Hey, girl, me I go shift your when you feel it enter the boom. Transform like Tarzan. Better never get such fuck from a man. Say me and you a fuck. Nobody nothing knows, say you a give it up. Nobody nothing knows, say you come over me yard. Baby, take off your dress. Nobody nothing knows, say me and you a fuck. Nobody nothing knows, say you a give it up. Nobody nothing knows, say you come over me yard. Baby, take off your dress. Baby, whoa. You know I love you, baby. The way you ride me, baby, drive me crazy. We should do this more often. I love you, boo. I love you, boo.
Now you got me so confused because I'm like, dude, what if, like, I'm not sure if I have your copy trader and I just don't know. Because I had the copy traders fixed yesterday, but then I got messages from certain people telling me, hey, my account was traded, and I got a notification saying it can't be traded in the United States. So then I had to take those accounts off the copy trader. I had to completely go through a different approach on the everything. I am not a wizard. I'm not a freaking programming genius, but Jesus, I've learned so much. And I finally got the program now. What to do, Chica? What to do, Chica? Chica?
She believe me. She be mad every time when I really ain't know. Got me posted all alone where the slums be. Lot of money on the line, what I'm going for. You don't stick with me now, long run, you will see. Don't go, take off. Continue to the line if they saying that they seen me. No so,
just be careful. 1 hour does not have a top wick. Now it does. But I'm like I said, boys, this is the woke EA signal. What does that mean? There's an EA, an automatic fucking trader that sends these trades. That's what we're in. For those who were actually challenge passing for right now, we in buys. I'm in a buy right now. I've been in a buy. EA. But I haven't called it like that. I think, and this EA is 4 wins, 1 loss. Or if it's a 5 wins, 1 loss. No idea. They have the New Yorks. This is for people that trade indices, commodities, oil, shit like that. Futures. London VIP. Basically GJ and gold. It's everything that I trade. And then we have the woke EA, which is the automatic bot service. And then we have the challenge passing. If you guys want to open up a ticket right here, ask questions about challenge passing, you guys can do that. If you guys want to come and look at the track record, you guys can do that. Members analysis. Let's see what Martin CEO sent. Martin CEO hopped into gold. He didn't give a fuck that it was moving. That's exactly how you're supposed to do it. Ride the momentum. Stop losses way beneath the break of structure. Impulse correction. Got the second impulse. Jesus Christ. Where'd you get Blueberry Markets from? Blueberry Markets, didn't that shit crash? Isn't that shit not alive anymore? You don't think it's going down? Right when you said you don't think it's going down, I think it's going down. Dude, what is up with my back? I have this huge pain. Alright boys, I have been on for 2 hours. I don't see myself being too productive on stream. I don't have a lot of energy. I apologize, that's my fault. Not your guys' fault. 5 in the morning though. I had 2 days of just super busy, man. My main problems of today have just been trying to figure out how to download a program created by a random coder that lets me copy trades accounts. I have a bunch of accounts that I'm passing the challenges for, and I need to be able to have all these accounts take trades at the same time. Mission got half fixed. Basically, I'm ready to go, but all my other stuff has not been fixed. Like, I have a new mic I need to set up, I have a new camera I need to set up, I have a new whole freaking office I need to set up. All my wires are thrown out everywhere. The lighting is horrible. I have a freaking ring light destroying my face. What else? I don't know, there was a whole bunch of other things like that. I have to set up I was setting up the WAP. I need to stay till the trade hits TP. Man, I ain't gotta babysit you. Whenever you guys have questions about the challenge passing rock, every account changes on depending on what type of challenge it is and what account size. Just go right here to challenge passing. You can open a ticket. Open a ticket. So I need to just finish doing a couple more things on a couple more accounts that I'm passing. I'm gonna set them up. After that, I am gonna either hop into a voice call with my VIP on the voice call, not the Zoom call. Voice call with the VIP, and I'm gonna get ready to make sure I send a signal today for the VIP. So for my VIP members, I'm gonna send a real trade, my trade, nothing to do with a woke, nothing to do with I definitely do not want to just send a trade just to send one. That's why I'm gonna be patient, but there is a signal that's gonna come from me, more than sure. Right? You guys want to check out my track record? You guys go to the community section right here in the Discord. See the community. You click on this link. Yo, I'm actually sick of Vivek. You know, very sick of Vivek. Vivek's already been trying to stir up shit with the Dr. Dollar situation. He's been asking fucking inappropriate questions. And now he says that I can't do what I can't do on my stream. So Vivek, you are now hidden on this channel. I don't know who you are. I don't give a goddamn hell about who you are. And peace. See ya. Later. Hasta la vista. Bye bye. Pull the trigger so many times. What was it? Track record. Track record shows that so we took a trade in March, and so I think we're on the 5-win streak. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Today will be 6. Today will be 6. The bot has taken 5 trades. It's won 4, lost 1. I have taken 5 trades. I've won 5 out of 5. So I got 1 up on the bot right now. 1 up on the bot. If I would have called out these longs, I would have been so close to hitting goddamn TP1. Oh my god. I would have been so close to calling out TP1. Nonetheless, the sell looks valid, boys. The sell looks valid. That's exactly why. I mean, I'm not even going to keep on talking about my buys. Look at this 4-hour candlestick chart. Me looking at this 4-hour candlestick chart, it would be really crazy to see this actually just leave a wick and then just keep on going up. Or like it would be crazy to just see this go up. I feel like there needs to be a wick at least, and if it goes down, I see this wick filling. Like I just looking at the 4-hour, 8 hours, 12 hours, 16 hours. For 16 hours, we've been having bearish candlesticks. We have a huge wick that looks like we need to be filled. The sells are good. I'm not gonna lie, the bot took a decent trade. I like it. It's valid. Nothing's unvalid about it. Therefore, I have stops to break even at all the accounts that I'm challenge passing right now. So if you guys see, look at your accounts that we're up on, I have it at stops to break even. So if it stops to break even, the sell ends up playing out. You know, whatever. I'm still looking for another trade though. Are you adding bot trades to track record or creating another bot record? I am not adding the track record to the bots, and I am not creating a bot record. I'll let the owner of the bot do that if he wants to do that, or if you guys want to keep the track record for the bot, you guys do that. I will maybe figure if I have a better, because like already filling up my track record is already super, not annoying, but like, you know, you got to do everything individually. So no, whatever my track record is, boys, I guess I could clear that up right now. Whatever my track record is, it's always going to be the trades that I send to the admin signals, the trade that I send to the VIP signals, or the trades that I take on live stream. They have to be trades that are called out. It can't be just a trade that we put up a P&L. It can't be a trade that we just go, like imagine imagine we go to gold, we go, oh, this trade looks good, and I don't know where it ends up playing out. No. For every trade, I have to have the entry written out. I have to have the take profit written out, the stop loss written out, and that's when you know it's an official trade, right? Sometimes the take profit and all that's written out, but it's not sent. But that's because it's on live stream. I'm gonna make sure that I send everything to my VIP. I haven't taken a live stream trade without sending it to the VIP yet. But that's what an official trade is considered. We don't win the trade unless we hit a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. It has to hit the 1-to-1. If I don't hit the 1-to-1, it's not considered a win. I can't put 5-10 pips into profit and close and consider it a win. That is not it. I actually had a link before available for my spreadsheet. I could get it back if you guys want to be able to log your guys' trades similarly to how I track mine. When you open up this spreadsheet, there's a little monthly calendar at the bottom, which lets you scroll through all the months. Like, for example, this is last year April. This is last year May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. We didn't take any trades. This is how we did in January. We had a rough start. And then February. Oh, and we're in March now. So if you guys do want to check out the spreadsheet, I recommend you highly check out the spreadsheet to get an idea on what you probably want to add to your own journal. If you want to have one, just go to the community under admin signals, track record right there. And what's happening with GJ? How to make a journal. That journal was made by somebody on Fiverr. You know, I have no idea how to work the spreadsheet correctly and all that. And there's different ones online that you can actually pay for and get easily that are like. Losses missing in February. 1 loss is missing in February. I don't know about 2. I doubt. Impossible that there's 2. There's only 1 that I haven't filled out. The pip says he was sent to the gulag. It's so funny that he says I can't leave what I started, but I can't leave what I've started. First of all, I haven't even called out my own personal trade. Woke signal EA. Now, for those who join the live stream and leave and join the live stream and leave, they are not. No, I have not taken any trades yet. No trades yet. Everything's supposed to be in clean moving process right now. Yeah, we have to hop on a phone call probably after the stream. Hop on a phone call. But for example, we were talking about using Traders Connect before. Traders Connect is not active right now for DX Trade platform. So the only actual way to actually copy trades to DX Trade platforms, I'll send you a video on it, but there's only one guy who's actually figured out how to do it, and he coded it and put it on MQL5. I had to figure out how to do that, and I have an MQL5 that I have to send individually. Like, I can log in and out of accounts quickly, but it's definitely not the most ideal situation right now. But it's moving. And this is the woke EA signal. I have not decided to take any trade yet due to the fact that I see how it could go bullish, I see how it could go bearish. And the woke EA signals has called out 4 wins and 1 loss on the channel, so I decided to put up the woke EA signal here on the board so we can pay attention. So that's why I say it's funny that Vivek says, "Oh, I can't leave what I started." Like, first of all, it's not even my trade to begin with. Second of all, once I set the trade, honestly, boys, once I set the trade and we've waited a little bit for it, there's no point of us having I'm not closing if this is my stop loss, I am not closing my stop loss at halfway or at a quarter of a way or before. So once I set the trade, there's no need to be watching it, truthfully, boys. There really is no need to be watching it. You could set some alerts to let you know when prices move into certain areas, maybe for a certain scaling. But we've been sitting down here for 15, 30, 45. We've been sitting down here for 2 hours, boys. 2 hours, and the chart has moved 22 pips. 22 pips. So if you guys think that it's time worthy for you guys to be sitting down and watching the charts move 22 pips,
It is if you're in the learning process. If you're learning, stick to the charts, stay there all the time, watch every candlestick open, watch every candlestick close, watch, you know, pay attention to every single time frame at all times. But like, there's nothing, I'm not closing out my trade, you know, I'm not closing out my trade early. You just gotta wait. There's not really much to it. So if I'm not in the mood to dance around and then blobber around and just be talking and try to entertain you guys, then I'm not feeling that I'm in the entertainment business for the night. But a lot of the times I am in the entertainment business, but sometimes there's just no time for it. A bunch of things being figured out. Yeah. Yes. Peso, you're a fucking goat. Dude. There was so many things that Vivek guy asked that I was like, yo, this is so annoying. Like, just asking every wrong question. What else was he saying before? He was like, watch won't happen because y'all don't want. Oh no, it definitely won't happen. I don't think we're gonna get it. You can't trust your trades. Man, a lot of people can't. It's hard to develop a strategy, and it's hard to it's hard to learn. How do I put this? It's like, imagine we hop into a trade here. We set our stop loss and we set our take profit. By the time we hit our stop loss, or by the time we hit our take profit, we will have learned a lot about ourselves, a lot about the charts, a lot about the setup. But if we go halfway into stop loss, close the trade, then it comes back to break even, then it comes back into profit, then we hop into the trade, scale in, then it goes back to break even, then we close the trade, then it goes into profit. So we by that point you have learned nothing. You have not moved forward as a trader. You have actually most likely lost money and just figured out how to gamble, and you're teaching yourself bad habits, and it's just a downhill spiral, right? Like, you learn so much from setting a trade, setting it, leaving it, and that's the trade. If you entered on the trade and you're doubting it, you're not moving forward. You're not gonna. It's like, take the loss. Take the loss if you've set the wrong stop loss. Take the loss. Move forward, because if you learn how to keep on closing out of trades and closing early and then scaling it a little bit more and then scaling it a little bit less, you're not doing anything. You're not learning how to trade. There's no profitable person that does any type of that strategy. You are not the 1 in 100 million. I promise you, you are not the 1 in 100 million. That it's like that guy that's just the wizard of the market. I don't even know if that exists. So like, let the trade play out, whether it's a buy, whether it's a sell, and learn from it and move forward after the trade. I'm not, let the stop loss hit, reset yourself, look for a different setup. But that's how you go through a constructive learning journey. But if your journey involves you fucking being like, oh, it's going up right now, and then by the second it starts going down, you're like, oh no, it's going down. I figured it out. It's going down. I figured out. It's the supply and demand zone. It's going down, and then I don't know where it starts going down, and then it starts rejecting back to up, and you're like, oh, I'm closing that break even. I missed my opportunity, and then out of nowhere, you've either made nothing, you've either lost nothing, and you realize the charts have only moved 20 pips. Like, this London session, since we've gone on stream, there's only been one trade, and that's been a 10 to 20 pip long, and I caught that trade actually. and I'm in that trade currently. I'm in the long right now on the account, and a lot of people have hopped into buys and sells, hopped in, hopped out, hopped in, hopped out, hopped in, hopped out. The charts haven't done anything. Nothing's happened to the charts right now, boys. So like, if you're that person that's hopped in and out of the charts right now, nothing's happened. You're either over leveraging, you're either not setting real positions, and you're just trying to look for quick gratitude. But quick gratitude being you just want to see blues on your phone. You want a high leverage trade for you to be up. If you're up 4 pips, you need to be up fucking 3%, or you're gonna be upset with yourself. You can't do that type of stuff. How much did you lose in money? Learning how to trade, losing in money. I remember perfectly probably having $1,000 to $2,000 to my name when I first started trading. Right? Not that I used that money. My net worth the most amount of money I've ever had in my hands was probably around like $4,000 to $5,000. And I, at that moment, having $4,000 to $5,000 in my bank account, lost around $10,000 to $12,000, $13,000 trading. And I've never even seen that money. You know, I've never even seen $12,000 to $13,000 at that moment, you know? Like I was a person who had the mindset of like, hey, $2,000 is a good amount in my bank account. And I still was losing and losing and losing and losing. I'd figure out where to bring another 1,000 or where to go work for more money, and I'd go work for more money, and I'd go work for more money, and it would lose and it would lose and it would lose and it would lose. I always say it on stream, boys, the only reason I know how to hit these trades, the only reason I know how to be profitable is because I'm the biggest loser in this stream. There's no other, unless there's somebody out here like, and it's not in a cocky way, it's not in a I'm above anybody way, it's nothing like that. Like, I'm literally saying I'm the biggest loser. I'm the guy who has lost the most amount of time, lost the most amount of money, lost the most amount of fucking parties, lost the most amount of anything you could think of, man. It's been 5 years that I come to the charts every single night. Yeah, some nights are intuitive. We have other people that have been showing up more than I have in the last few months, because I know that we got serious traders in here. I know that we got a whole bunch of people that show up every single night. I know we got a whole bunch of people. Now, are you doing the right things when you show up? Etc. I probably wasted a year of trading, fucking thinking that I knew how to trade and thinking I was the best, and just losing money, hopping in, hopping out, hopping in, hopping out. Gold trade emission on February 6th. You have the gold trade yourself? Because I know I'm missing a gold trade. I don't know what trade I'm missing. I know I'm missing a trade and I never got to find it. Play Breathe by you. So my point that I was getting to is that I always say that I'm the biggest loser because I've lost. I feel like I've lost. I don't know about lost the most. You know, we got some big people in here that have lost a lot of money trading, but like I don't know. In terms of what it was to me at the moment, man, I feel like I lost everything. And I remember being like, yo, bro, is this like? I was like, yo, I could have done so much with this money. I could have gone into this. I could have gone into this. I could have gone into this. I could have gone. Like, yes, boys. I've also been through that stage where you're just completely confused on if this is actually worth it. And those stick around, loss after loss after loss after loss after loss after loss, and they decide that they're not chasing the money, but they're chasing learning how to actually hit a trade. That's how you get better as a trader. But if you're chasing money, you ain't even getting better as a trader. You're a sucky trader, and you're gonna keep sucking. It's like, I use this reference all the time. Nobody starts a new sport, or nobody starts a new job, nobody starts a new hobby and expects to be the freaking best. To be a profitable trader, you need to be the best of the best of the best of the best, right? You need to be a part of the 1%. You need to be a part of the 1 to 5% of the people. And it's the same thing with any sport. You know, you want to be the best at basketball, you gotta be a part of the top percent. You want to be good at fucking, I don't know, math, you gotta be a part of the top percent. And at the beginning of all those journeys, you're never gonna be close to the top percent. You gotta go through the learning phases. That's why I always say this is not a get rich quick scheme. If anything, is a get broke slowly scheme. You slowly gonna get broke. You're slowly gonna lose. You're gonna lose again, then you're gonna lose again. Then you're gonna win, but then you're gonna lose double the amount. Then you're gonna win, then you're gonna win, then you're gonna win. Oh, then you win, and then you lose it all. Then you're gonna lose it all again. You're gonna win a little bit, then you're gonna lose it all again. And then maybe you will start becoming a fucking full winner. But it's like you need to learn those lessons. Every single lesson to you needs to get smacked in your face 100% of the time. And then you need to start being able to react to it. So first, you need to get smacked in the face. And then if you don't react, you're going to keep on getting smacked in the face for a couple more years up until you start reacting. You're like, oh shit, this is what it is to be a fucking idiotic trader. For example, I saw yesterday this impulse, and I saw some people taking sells. I was like, yo, like I remember and then I stopped for a moment, and I was like, you know what? I'm not even gonna judge their sells. I'm gonna let them take their sells. And I remember when I was that person that was taking sells on a fucking, like the candlestick's flying. It's completely flying. And for me nowadays, if you take a sell when the candlesticks are flying like that, like it's like, to me, it's one of the most dumbest trades in the world. I'm not trying to offend anybody, but But that's my perspective to it. Like, I would absolutely never take a sell like while this was happening, and I saw a whole bunch of people taking sells, and I was like, you know what? I remember being in that like mindset, and then it impressed me because I was like, wow. I was like, I remember perfectly when that made sense to me in my head, and I gave it its chance, and I was like, that's exactly why I was losing. And I was like, that's exactly why I was losing, because I just didn't know that the probability of me actually hitting any type of these sells are just ridiculous. They're just ridiculous. And then that was exactly the thought process I had yesterday when I saw people taking that sell. I was like, dude, that's like the most ridiculous, stupid. And then I was like, wait, honestly, I was like, I'm not even gonna say that because that's what like that's what helps me move forward. Taking that trade and losing, and then taking it again and losing, taking it again, and then you're like, statistically in your head, you're like, all right. That's why whenever I take certain trades, I tell you guys what my probable statistic chance of that trade is hitting. So I hop into a trade and I tell you guys, this has like a 60% chance of trading. This has like a 30% chance of hitting. This has like a 50% chance of hitting. That's all just from accumulated memory from, man, there's only so many candlestick formations that the chart does. You know, every single candlestick formation is almost the same thing. You know how I've talked about how the upside down head and shoulders is a range, it's the same thing as a fib. There's only so many. It's the same thing as a teacup, morning star, blah blah blah. It's all the same shit. So there's only so many formations that the candlesticks can do, right? There's only so many market structures. There's only so many. There's not even a lot, right? And then so it just comes down to you having like an accumulated memory of how many times did this breakout play out? Okay, how many times did this taking a buy at the impulse of the candlestick play out? And then you start, oh, but it played out better when I had a larger stop loss. Oh, it played out better when I took it after the break and retest. And so it's like, this is just a game where you're accumulating a whole bunch of memory, boy. You're just accumulating a whole bunch of memory. You're accumulating a whole bunch of strategies, plans. It's like becoming a freaking NFL quarterback. You know, these guys, you got a whole bunch of game plans. You got a whole bunch of game books. And they go getting better, and they go getting better, and they go getting better. And that's how you start, you know, performing more, getting more fucking touchdowns, getting more catches on the field. It's a work in process. You guys got to actually put in the work to make the fucking process, you know, better. GG just broke recent highs. Seems like it's going to go up. I think the way I'm looking at it, we've gone nowhere. We have gone nowhere. We also broke recent lows recently. We didn't go low. So I have no idea up to the moment what's going to happen, but it's more of a sit and wait process. I'm not dead sold on these sells. I'm not dead sold on my buys. I'm actually in a very in between. I do not know what's going to happen with the chart. I'll be very honest, you know, and that's exactly why I'm going to just wait for proper price action. I mean, it's also been a very low. It's at the 4 hour, man. Look at this 4 hour. The 4 hour looks so fucking bearish. The 4 hour looks so fucking, unless this candlestick reaches this ultimate resistance, and it's within the same candlestick and keeps on going, like this looks like it needs to come down. Alright, I haven't read the chat. Let me see. Why I don't learn from lessons. Why don't I learn from lessons? Why don't you learn from lessons? It's because you're not taking it serious. Because you're either chasing the money. If you're chasing the money, you're not gonna learn the lesson. It's like, imagine I'm in a sell right now and this is going towards my stop loss. If I take myself out of the trade, I learned nothing. I tried to fight, and why did I take myself out of the trade? Because I didn't want to lose money. Now, if I actually let it hit my stop loss and I don't take a trade after that, you learn something right there. You know, you learn something right there. So it's more of, you got to stop chasing the money. You got to start, you know, and trusting what people say. Like when I tell you guys, boys, there's only 1 to 2 trades to be taken a night. There really is one or only, guys. I've been on since a little bit 20 minutes after London Open. There's only been 1 trade to be taken, and it's not even been a full 30 pips. If it's not a full 30 pips, then trust me, it's not a full trade. That's just anything underneath 30 pips is just, man, these charts go up 10 pips, down 20. Look, this went up. This went down 15 pips, up 15 pips, down 15 pips, up 15 pips. So if you're aiming for 15 pips, 10 pips, man, you're in a random roulette game. You know, I could take a random win right now off a 10 pip stop loss. I could take a random loss off a 10 pip stop loss. There's no statistical odd there. You're nothing. You're gambling. So when we're talking about a proper trade, right? 30 pip stop loss minimum. There's only been 1 setup this whole night. Like if you have literally a person that has taken more than 1 trade tonight on GJ, then in the nicest way, you need to reevaluate the way you're approaching the markets. And a lot of people will hear that and they won't react to it. And that's why they're not learning. I've many times talked about how you should not be on 1 minute to 5 minute candlestick charts scalping. Nonetheless, I'll hop into a community of people and everybody will be on the 1 minute to 5 minute candlestick scalping. So it's like, as much as I can tell you, hey, this is why I'm profitable, this is what I've seen over the last 5 years on what not to do. Man, a lot of the times we're alpha males here. All of us are go-getter. Everybody in this chat, 91% of the people, 91 viewers, 100% of the people are go-getter, hustlers, alpha males, right? And that's also the problem with us. We don't want to actually listen to the other guy telling us, hey, this is not what we want to be like. No, we figured this out. I know what I'm doing. I'm that 1 in a million. I'll become a profitable trader. I'm the fucking, I'm that guy that's gonna do it. I'm that guy that's gonna do it. And you start. And then you feed yourself a little bit of bullshit, and then you start being a little bit ignorant, where you don't want to hear the another guy that's trying to guide you, or you don't trust. It's just fine, but also maybe it's not an ego thing, maybe it's a trust thing. You don't trust other people online and you want to figure it out on your own. But that's why a lot of people, I feel like I remember when I learned how to trade Forex, I was learning off of honestly, I'll give it to when I was learning off of Daniel Savage about 5 to 6 years ago. I felt pretty happy learning off of him, because I felt like I was watching live what he was doing, and it felt like I really like. Now that I'm thinking about it, I don't know. I think the best lessons I've taken on Forex by far have been off Nick Sean on YouTube. I've never talked to him, never messaged him, never shouted him out, never bought a course off of him, never bought any service off of him. Nonetheless, Nick Sean on YouTube definitely changed the way I started trading. Definitely. I started actually becoming profitable and actually been able to keep consistency after watching Nick Sean. 100%. That guy knows how to teach. That guy knows what he's talking about behind the charts. That is somebody who you could be like, all right, that guy probably made a whole bunch of money off trading and then figured out how to fucking teach it really well. But there's other people's strategies that I do not understand. Like whenever somebody fucking closes their stop loss at halfway, that shit again. That shit fucking makes me want to fucking shoot myself in the face. So if you're that guy that's in a sell right now and you're about to start closing your position because the candlestick went up a little bit, then you are also having a big problem. You're not supposed to. That's a big no-no. And maybe right now you're like, oh, but it looks like it's gonna go up, and then I don't know where it's gonna go back into break even. You're gonna be like, oh wow, I'm gonna close that break even, and then it's gonna go into a little bit of profit. You're like, oh wow, it didn't go anywhere. Again, I just fucking panic closed, and again, I just fucking, and why? Because you're looking at the smaller time frame. Look at the hourly. Pay attention to the actual pip counts. We've gone nowhere, boys. We've gone nowhere. Boys, that is enough of my rant. Enough of my rant. If you guys want to be able to join the VIP, make sure you guys go check out the links to the Discord. If you guys want to help me send the links right now, you guys can help me. Let me see. A B. I don't know what I need. I need the WAP bot. Do I have the WAP bot? Hey boys, to the stream and to everybody, I adore you guys. I really do. I apologize that we weren't out here yesterday. I don't even know what I'm playing, dude. I'm not even looking at the music. Oh, you don't, Badas, how don't you know Quando Rondo, Badas? What you mean you don't know Quando Rondo? This boy Badas don't even know this song, bruh. Bro, just hearing a bunch of OG yawning. I don't even know what. Oh, that On My Way song was on. That's so funny. That is so funny. I'll put up something better, boys. For the closer. I didn't know I had the yodeling song on. Like I said, boys, I don't got my headphones on. I don't got my whole speaker system set up. So everything you've been listening to, I have not listened to one song with you guys. Like I said, for my VIP, I'm still sending a signal. That's to Arnold. I know we got a bunch of VIP members that are in the chat listening. By tomorrow, I'm gonna have my new mic set up. Let me see what. So what I did promise my VIP, I promised 2 minimum Zooms. There's gonna be 2 to 3 Zooms a week. We're on day 2 and we haven't had one. So either it's gonna be tomorrow and Friday, or it's gonna be Thursday. No, I think we'll do one tomorrow. We'll do tomorrow and Friday. We'll do one before session. I'm 100% sure gonna make sure. I'm 100% gonna make sure that I'm well rested. We're gonna do one before stream. That's pre-London session. So pre-London session, this will be my VIP on Zoom, and then I'm gonna keep you guys on Zoom to be able to entertain me through the session. We need to have a long stream. I'm feeling a better long stream tomorrow. I'm gonna actually be able to get content. I'm gonna have my hair cut. I'm gonna have my beard shaved. I'm gonna be fresh and glamored up. I'm gonna have my setup a lot better. I'm gonna have my mic fixed. I've just been in the since last week, boys. I've been just fixing a whole bunch of equipment, you know, just getting everything ready for a new office. And yeah, like I said, I'm gonna hold myself to the minimum 2 Zooms, and those Zooms are obviously not gonna be, we're gonna hop on Zoom and then get the fuck off. No, we're hopping on Zoom, we're gonna be productive, we're gonna fucking make sure everybody in that Zoom makes goddamn money. I'm gonna be like, yo, fucking boot camp type shit. This is what the fuck we're doing tonight. I wanna see everybody's fucking P&L. I wanna see everybody's goddamn entry on my entry, and let's make some money together. It's gonna be some sort of boot. I don't know. I'm gonna make sure I actually bring some energy, and then I'm gonna keep you guys on Zoom with me. So that's and I finally got my speaker system. Remember I told you guys that my speaker system wasn't working? I got my speaker system working today. Remember, boys, I told you guys that my speakers weren't working for a fat minute? I don't know whoever recalls that. I got the damn speakers working today. That's hilarious. I am fucking wizard. Experience MVP channel. Boys, chart's gone nowhere. So whoever thought that the highs were being, bro. I mean, this looks like it's gonna go up right now. This looks like a little bit of an ascending thing, but I don't know. I'm gonna let the charts play out right now. Hey, I love you guys. I love you guys so much. See ya, boys. Love you, boys. See ya, boys. You guys don't know what I'm going through right now. My neck hurts. My back hurts. I have to hop on to some programming shit and add like 2 more accounts. So I love you guys, boys. I truly do. You guys are an amazing community. Cactus, shout out to you, brother. Been 2.5 hours, a little bit more than 2.5 hours. Te amo, Wankan. Paras. Love you too, Paras. Well, I love you, the Pip Flipper. Paras, fuck you. Go rest, bro. See ya. I wish I could go rest. I'm gonna go add. I need to add like 2 more accounts to the copy trader, and then I need to start trading these accounts, and I need to send a signal to my VIP, and I need I don't even know. Oh, I need to set up the WAP bot for the fucking GJEA. So much little things. All love, bro. Thank you, Chica. Shout out to yo. Oh no, City beat Man U. What happened to the Man U City game? Or did they tie? Get to work, son. Let's stop goddamn complaining and get to work, bro. Like that. I'm honestly somebody who hates when I hear people complain. I hate it. So honestly, I'm being a fucking super... I don't know about hypocritical, if hypocritical is the word, but... Dude, I'm always... Like, I hate hearing people complain. I'm that type of person, dude. I hate going in the morning. I'm such a morning person also, right? And I hate when I go in the morning and I'm asking for like a coffee or I'm asking for food. And the person in the morning is completely not a morning person and they're not having it. It's like, why the fuck are you here in the mornings giving me such a bad attitude when I'm coming in like, you know, trying to give you positive vibes, and like you're just so depressed with what you're doing right now. Like, just like, I hate that type of energy. So I apologize if I've been complaining. I'm gonna make sure to check myself a little bit more. Well, I'm gonna have you guys, Chica, Arnold, Darren, the boys. Whenever you guys hear me complaining, you already know what to say. It's like type pineapple in the chat. That's the secret. Man U took an L, City 3-1. Jesus. This chart's gone nowhere, boys. Where the fuck? Jesus Christ. Latinas X. Invite Spanish chicks someday here. Latina. A la Madrid. Oh. Alright, boys. If you guys see that Vivek dude in the fucking Discord chat, give that dude the boot. Alrighty. Before Paras gets all freaking rated R in this chat, I gotta let you guys go. Want you guys to know I love you. Love you. You boys. Much love. Shout out to Chica's Arabi. Much love. See you guys. Peace.
Niggas bitches, pocket watching. Now I'm talking about no pistol talking 30s now. 30s now, 30 bands, 30 now.
Mayfair on the green. You said GG was going up 10 minutes ago. I think it's going down. Love you, Mayfair. Peace.
If I want it, I'ma grab it. If I want it, I'ma have it. Christian Dior, I'm up in all the stores. I make a call.